Hello user, welcome to my tutorial. My name is Kaan and I am the kind of developer, like modifier you can say, of this program. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so there are 8 preset colors: red, green, blue, pink, black, white, yellow, orange, tangy orange? I have no idea. It's 1:43 in the morning, please do excuse my randomness and confidence. Thank you. Okay, so one big tip which I'd like to tell you is instead of... Actually no, let me think. I got it. Say you wanted to draw an ocean and a boat on it. A boat on the ocean floating to infinity and beyond. I would not advise, unless you really enjoy it, physically drawing the background color, because you can save a lot of time and using my modified reset button to reset the entire canvas to your desired selected color. So example, I wanted to make an ocean, I'm going to click reset, resets the entire canvas to blue. Great, now I can work on, and I've just saved myself a lot of time, I can work on making an ocean, waves, as I'm doing now. Let's make them a bit harsh. Great, and now I can select the boat color, which can be the tangy orange. Let's put my brush size to +15. Don't worry, I'm going to get on with talking about the mode box very soon. And let's make a big boat. Don't know how this is physically possible, but you know what? It's a drawing, it's fiction, it can be possible. Great. Now let's add a mast. Oh, that's too small. Actually, that's kind of perfect. Big mast. And let's add. Yep. And we're gonna call this SS Web Paint. Okay, yeah, random name, I know, but you know what? Why not? Let's make it look like it's actually drifting on the ocean. Okay, awesome. Great, so that's how you use the colors. And now I can talk about the mode box. The mode box is a box that I created to help indicate what mode or brush size or current color has been currently selected. For example, I'm now on paint mode. My current selected color is white and I'm currently on default size. Oh, and the default size, if you press F12 and you go to the console, you will see that the default size when I click on here is 5x5. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. By 5x5, and I'll get onto that soon in a minute. I also want to explain to you how the eraser works. So no matter what background color you're on, if you click eraser, no matter what your current color is as well, it will always erase in the background color, because I'm erasing here. Now let me accidentally make a mistake. Oh my god, what is that? It's a black line by accident. Now if I click erase, my current selected color is black, it's not doing anything. Yep. So now I can erase the mistake. Oh, what is that? I can erase the mistake. Done and dusted. Looks like it wasn't even there. There we go. I can erase this to make it look a bit better. Done. Now it looks great. Well, to my knowledge, because I'm not a really good artist. This is probably the best I've ever drawn in my life. And now I want to add a kraken, a pink kraken. You see, I already made a mistake. I forgot that I was in eraser mode. Paintbrush. I draw a big bubble head. There we go. I'm in +15. Let's fill out all the blues. Okay. Let's give it some googly eyes. Let's give it a smiley face. And let's give it red eyes. Make it look evil yet cute. Oh. Anyway, let's give it red eyebrows too. Why not? And that's it. So there's a friendly kraken, or weird fishing boat. It's quite a big fishing boat. Friendly, calm, and weird waters. Blah 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 blah. Now you get the idea of paint and eraser. Now the brush size. As I've explained, the default brush size is 5 by 5, so 5 width and 5 height. Now if I wanted to increase that height, I would go to +5, which means 5 plus 5, which is 10. So this should be 10 by 10, as I showed you. So 5 plus 10, 15, and 5 plus 15 is 20. 5 minus 2 is 3, minus 3 is 2, and minus 4 is 1. The brush size is here, so let me do a visible color like yellow. This is 20, 15, 10, default, which is 5, 3, 2, and 1. Despite 1 being very small, I have a few artistic friends, and I thought this would be great for them to use because like they really love adding detail, like small details, so this should be great for them. Anyways, now that I can go to eraser mode, go to the biggest size and erase all of my mistakes or little annotations. See, look at this. Saves you so much time. Easy peasy. Looks like nothing was ever there. Now I can go back to paintbrush mode. As you can see, I click paint mode, brush size 15, which I don't want. I want default. And my current select color is white. Now I can add my waves again. Alter my other damaged waves. And there we go. Looks like nothing changed. Just upgraded. Okay, let's move on to the color picker and blender. So the color picker, I've already selected some custom colors. I'll show you soon. Is a picker which you can pick through any spectrum, and boom, it's amazing. You can pick any color in the world. If you have an RGB value to your knowledge, you can put it right here. Now I know that this automatic color picker unfortunately isn't available on all browsers or search engines, whatever. This is, to my knowledge, only available on Google Chrome and Firefox. If you did want to use this, unfortunately you cannot. You'd have to memorize RGB values, or no, you still won't be able to use it. Again, I'm going to have to apologize for that. I'm still relevantly new to programming or JavaScript in general, but you know, I'm learning. I'm trying my best to learn, and I will add like a hex color box. I think that's the best option. Adding a hexadecimal box where you can actually add your own colors to your knowledge and you can blend etc. So the custom colors example, you found a really nice, I like violet, dark violet is nice, and you just click add to custom colors. And there you go, it adds there. So if you click cancel and you come back, your custom color is right here. Oh, click OK, +15, high. Okay, this is what the Kraken said to the boat. And now the boat is, well, did you see that? And now the boat is fleeing to safety because he's very scared of the big friendly Kraken. Okay, now this other section contains two buttons. The video tutorial button, which is what I'm making now. So, you know, if you click this, you will be watching what you get the point. Okay, now the help button here, it sends an alert to the browser to show you or to give you tips that if you find something difficult, you're stuck on somewhere, there'd be 4 common problems that I have found that I keep forgetting or I just misplace or misdo. And these 4 tips should help you with what you're doing. Example, tip 3. Draw slowly for the best accuracy of what you want to draw. The quicker you draw, you will see what I like to call dragged pixels, which is true. I haven't yet figured out how to fix it, so please take this tip seriously. Dragged pixels are, let's choose a light color, is if I draw quick, it patches, it's like certain squares, where instead of like some software like Paint, if you draw really quick, you will just see a line like this. I'm going to be striving to do this, as well as the hex button. But for now, unfortunately, this is what you're stuck with, which sucks, but you know, sorry. Again, I'm working on it. Another tip is remember when clicking the eraser button to click back on the paintbrush button to return back to painting mode. You can check what mode you're in by looking at the mode box, which is true. Eraser mode, I just clicked it. Paintbrush mode, brush size 15, current color yellow, is that true? Yep, it's true. And I'm also on brush size 15, I can check. Yes, I am. Well, now I'm on 15. Oh, and now I'm on 20. Yep. Okay, cool. And that's all. I'm gonna leave my email in the help button. You can't see my email now because you know people on YouTube might be able to see it, and I don't want that. I just want it for you guys. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm hoping my tutorial actually helped you. Again, please excuse my randomness. It is almost 2 o'clock in the morning, and I am so happy to go to bed after this. So happy. Okay. Have a very good night. Again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.